Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Turn power off at the breaker and verify with a non-contact tester. Wear insulated gloves and safety glasses while you work near electrical panels. Gather tools now: 14 AWG copper for bonding and 6 AWG copper to the earth rod. Get an 8-foot copper rod, a grounding clamp, wire strippers, and a multimeter with continuity. Keep the work area dry and clear of clutter. Plan to follow local codes, and stop if you see corrosion or loose wiring. Locate the scanner chassis ground lug and remove paint or coating for a clean contact. Cut bonding wire to keep the conductor under 3 feet when practical and avoid coils. Strip about 3/8 inches of insulation so copper is fully exposed for the lug. Attach the 14 AWG bonding conductor to the chassis lug and tighten the fastener to about 25 inch-pounds. Route the wire avoiding sharp edges and secure with cable clamps every 18 inches. Test continuity. Choose an outdoor location at least 3 feet from foundations and utilities to drive the earth rod. Drive the 8-foot copper rod vertically until only a few inches remain above grade. Run 6 AWG copper from the rod to the building ground point and use a listed grounding clamp for the connection. Tighten clamps securely and protect the conductor in conduit where exposed. Measure ground resistance with a proper tester, aiming for under 10 ohms, and verify continuity from scanner chassis to the earth rod with a clamp meter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.